Got it. Just wait, there's plenty of more. Ma, I think we should have headed over to a place where it has those giant 3 white crosses there.
Did I tell you it's traffic there? You cannot go.
Well, when we have the chance.
It's like this, too many people. There, see?
Yeah. Angel, wake up, man. You're gonna miss it. No. Just give him a couple of minutes. Give him a couple of minutes. Oh, Mom, imagine that there's this big firework literally like giving off a big finish. Yeah, it's going off. Like it's literally going off without stopping. I think it's best if you like move up a little bit to the front. We'll move on to the passenger seat then. Just like firework day in Canada, right? 10 times better. No, just give him a sec. They're still continuing it though. I can hear it from over there.
Stop again.
Nope. Like I said, just give him a couple of minutes. No. Like I said, just give him a couple of minutes. No. No. Still going over from over there.
That's it. No more.
No. That was a big one. Why are you saying mid right there, bro?
Oh, it's Spanish.
Andrew, wake up, man.
No. No.
You're gonna miss it.
Big one,
Yeah.
That's it.
Nope.
That's it.
Oh, I see one.
Yeah, but it's still low this time. Last time.
It could have like, oh no, gotten a little closer when we had the chance. Well, at least it's a little warm when it's nighttime.
Yeah, but yeah, that's what I mean.
I know. We should have we feel like we should have eaten some hot dogs when, you know.
I wanted chili dog. But the thing is, it's too hot if you go there at 5 o'clock. It's so hot. Chili. You might die.
Well, not to die for unless you're finding
One
something
big
cold to
man.
eat,
One big
say ice cream.
There's the big one now. Mammoth.
The big one.
Mammoth.
Yeah, imagine we had our own fireworks set. We
Pass.
definitely
Pass.
get that on video.
Pass. Yeah. Pass.
Just like from last 2021.
And the one. Big one. Oh.
The big one is my favorite. The favorite part.
Mammoth.
What?
That's it.
No.
That's it.
I still hear it.
That's it.
Oh, just give him a sec.
Beautiful mammoth. That's it.
No, just
Okay.
give it. It's still not done. Just.
There go.
Oh, the big one!
I love mammoth.
The big one caught on video.
There go. Look at. Ooh.
Even bigger. It's bigger than the sun.
That's the highlight now.
Imagine like for the big finish, they literally like
Is this
pull
a
off.
constant flashback to my years? What?
Oh man, it's like an endless cycle of fireworks. Look at that.
Ooh, feels.
Don't worry, I'll record the rest. Man, you should be careful. The big one.
That's unbiddable.
No.
Mid.
Hey, do you remember like in the Utopia when the fireworks go like bigger?
I don't think.
That's it.
Uh,
Bye bye.
what?
That's it. 20 minutes.